Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very simple recipe, but it's one of South Africa's favorite dessert recipe, which is peppermint crisp tart. Usually we make this in the month of December whenever we're having a braai or any family gathering or Christmas. This is a nice dessert to have. I am going to show you the amount that I'm going to make, which will feed 6 to 8 people, but you can easily double it if you need to feed 12. For this recipe, I only need 4 ingredients, which is a packet of tennis biscuit and 2 cans of caramel treat, which is 360 gram each, and I've also got whipping cream that I'm going to use 1.5 cup of whipping cream, and then I have 3 of this chocolate, which is a peppermint crisp. This is what gives the dessert the flavor and its name. If you are able to get the peppermint crisp slab, you can use 1 slab and keep aside a little for decoration. I'm going to start off by whipping my 1.5 cup of cream in this bowl. This is 1 cup. And this is another half. I've got my electric whisk, which I'm going to use to whisk up my cream till it is at a soft peak. Here's my cream, and you can see it is at soft peaks. And you must always have your cream cold as possible to whip. Now to my cream, I'm going to add my 2 cans of caramel treat, and I'm going to fold it in. Here's my first can of caramel treat that I'm just going to add into the cream. We will slowly fold this in to the cream. This is my second can of the caramel treat. I'm going to fold this in, and it's too hot in Joburg today, so I'm just going to pop it into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down before I work with it again. Here's my caramel with the whipped cream after 10 minutes in the fridge. Now I'm just going to roughly break up my chocolate. I'm going to break up 2 of these bars and leave the 3rd bar for decorating. I'm going to add my chocolate into the cream and fold it in. I'm placing a layer of biscuit as my base. To my biscuit base, I'm going to add in half of my cream. So I'll just layer this. I will just level this out, and thereafter I'm going to use another layer of my biscuit. Now I will add my rest of the cream on top of another layer of biscuit. This is my last chocolate that I'm going to open and grate on top. So I'm just going to use my grater to grate the entire chocolate on top. I have used half of my chocolate to decorate on top. Some of it is still left rough, and I like it like this because it looks homemade. And the other half, the cameraman will have as a treat. I'm going to cover this with cling wrap and pop it into the fridge for half an hour so that it will set. Here's my peppermint crisp tart, which I had resting in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now it's ready to be added to our dinner table, or this can be transported to a braai or a function, and this can be shared with your loved ones.